Hello everyone. Now let's discuss about applications of nanomaterial. Applications means actually there is an invisible revolution because nanomaterials are very small. You can't see that. But they are in your wall, they are on your wall paintings, your sunscreen, your solar cell, your mobile phones, your laptops, they are everywhere in this world. That's why it is known as invisible revolution. So for evolution of technology, these nanomaterials are only useful. Here, nanomaterials are very small, but it has very big future. Small materials with a big future. Because of nanomaterials, there are many advantages, many applications. It is necessary in today's world, in future world. So, small materials with a big future. It is a code. Now, nanomaterials are extremely small. Small, right? But this small in size can show some special properties. This small size can create some special properties. These properties are useful for to utilize in engineering field and science field. Now, what is this invisible revolution happening? Where is this invisible revolution happening? Means where these applications are useful. Means where are these advantages of nanomaterials taking place? See, first is powering our digital world. In our digital world, we use nanomaterial. Digital world means to store large amount of data in small chips, we use nanomaterial. So nanomaterials are used to store large amount of data in small chip. They are used in compact disk. They are used in semiconductor lasers. So it is used in mobile phones, laptops, solar cells, etc. In digital world, it is used in many ways. Next is in medicine. In medical field also, nanomaterials are used. How is here, this is cancer cells. This nano robots will be there. Tiny nano robots will be there. It will detect the cancer cells and it will destroy it. Destroy the cancer cells. And even this nano robots, nano materials are used to repair and regenerate our tissues. There are also means here how it happens means nanorobots mission. Here nanorobot enters the body. They navigates the specific cells. Means they detect the cancer cells. When they detect the cancer cells, they destroy the cancer cells or even they repair the tissues also. In this way, nanorobots will work. So nanomaterials work in cancer therapy and even they are used in drug delivery and biosensitive nanomaterials will be there. They are used to make DNA chips. DNA chips are made by biosensitive nanomaterials and nanoceramics will be there. These nanoceramics are used in making artificial bones which are very strong. Next, smarter, stronger things. Means here, this cutting tools will be there, right? For this cutting tools also, if we make, if we add a nano coating, it will become very strong. Even for glass also, to clean that glass, we'll coat with nano coating will be there. If nano coating is there on the glass, it will become self-cleaning glass. It helps for cleaning of the glass. And even for painting also we use nanomaterial so that it forms a thick coating on that. And even for sunscreen and cosmetics also. Actually titanium dioxide nanoparticles will be there. It is used in sunscreen. It forms a UV layer on the sunscreen. And even for cosmetics also. Nanoparticles will improve the texture and appearance of the cosmetics. Even meet the nano all-star. Before that, it is nanoparticles are used in IT, information technology, like it acts as a data storage. Even in electrical electronics and communication also it is used. Means there it is used in optical electronic devices and even they are used in sensors, smoke detectors, ice detectors on aircraft wings. They are used in tiny robots, assemblers, solar cells, hydrogen fuels, fuel cells, etc. They are used in many things and even in mechanical applications also they are used. As these nanoparticles are very tough, means this nano coating will be very strong. So they are used to make hard and durable metals. Nanoparticles are used to make hard and durable metals. That's why that nanofilms will be there, no? It will be very hard and durable. And they are also used in giant magnetoresistance devices, GMR, giant magnetoresistance devices. They are used in there also. Next, here Let's discuss about each nanoparticle. Silver nanoparticles will be there. These are silver nanoparticles. These silver nanoparticles has bacteria killing nature. That silver nanoparticles can kill bacteria. That's why it is used in surgical tools, water purifier, air conditioners. Uh, Water purifiers means it will use to purify water. In surgical tools also will coat with silver nanoparticle so that it will kill bacteria. And next is gold nanoparticles will be there. This gold nanoparticles as act as a good catalyst, and even it is act as a detector also. Why detector? Means it will detect the tumor and it will destroy the tumor. To destroy the tumor, we need detection, right? We need to detect the tumor. To detect the tumor, this nanoparticles are used. Gold nanoparticles are used. Next, zinc oxide. Zinc oxide is used in electronics and sensory. Means they are used in zinc oxide nanoparticles are used in chemical sensors. In electronics they are used, and in UV light emitters also zinc oxide nanoparticles are used. Next, UV protection. For UV protection means for sunscreen, titanium dioxide nanoparticles are used. Titanium dioxide nanoparticles are used in sunscreen and they provide a UV filter. UV layer it will provide on skin. Next, building tomorrow's world. See, in environment also we use nanoparticles. In environment means they are used in cleaning up the environment. So nanoparticles are used in environment cleanup, wastewater treatment, water purification. Water purification means that silver nanoparticles are used in water purification, environment cleanup, etc. They are also used in agriculture. Agriculture means they are used in crop protection. Crop protection, nanoparticles are used. Even in food processing, also nanoparticles are used. Even in energy, means they are used in solar cells, semiconductor and fuel cell electrodes, batteries, fuel cell, electrodes, etc. They use nanoparticles are used there also. So, nanoparticles has a wide range of applications from sunscreen on your face to the solar cell on your roofs. Nanoparticles are only used. So nanoparticles has many advantages, many applications. Now what big challenges will these tiny tools solve next? So now we have find explored that nanoparticles are used in environmental cleanups, in DNA chips to store large amount of data. They use in environmental cleanup, water purification, surgical tools, compact discs, semiconductor lasers, assemblers, sensors, chemical sensors, hmm? huh, chemical sensors, and they're used in many more. So they, and even for storing large amount of data, for cancer detection, etc. They're used in many applications for sunscreen, etc. So in future, what it will do next? There are many advantages in future also. As technology evolves, this technology evolves with the help of nanotechnology only. Thank you.